my name is Nakul. I hope you all are doing good. You are watching How About Tech, and in this video we will talk about tips and tricks related to the Apple Watch. I have already created part 1 of this video in which we talked about 10 tips and tricks related to the Apple Watch, and I won't be repeating any of those tips and tricks in this video. So if you are interested to watch that video, I will provide the link in the description down below. For now, let's begin this video. The first tip is to unlock your iPhone with the help of your Apple Watch. Now you can unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch when the watch is unlocked and near your iPhone while wearing a mask. As we know, Face ID does not work with the mask on, so you have to enter passcode every time to open your iPhone, which slows down your process. So now you can unlock your iPhone instantly with your Apple Watch. To enable this feature, go on to your iPhone, then settings, then Face ID and passcode, and in that unlock with Apple Watch. Turn on this toggle. It will also notify you whenever you unlock your iPhone on your Apple Watch. From that you can also lock your phone if you did it by mistake. Similarly, you can also use your Apple Watch to unlock your Mac. The next tip is related to app layout. If you want to arrange your apps in Honeycomb, simply press and hold on one application, and now you can drag and drop and rearrange all the applications from here. You can keep all your frequently used apps at a one place, like on the top or the bottom of the layout as per your convenience. And you can also delete any application directly from here without going into the settings. Or if you want the list view, you can select the list view so that all your apps appear alphabetically. Moving on, you can use your watch to find your iPhone. You can find your iPhone with the help of your watch by playing a sound. Go into the control center and then tap on the phone icon. This will ping your phone and play a sound. But if you cannot find your phone and it is dark, then you can press and hold on the same icon, and this time it will start blinking the camera flash of your iPhone along with the sound, so that you can find your phone quickly and easily. Moving on, you can ask Siri to read time. On a watch face, you can tap and hold with 2 fingers and Siri will speak the time out loud for you. And when on the Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse watch face, simply tap on the screen and it will read out the time in the voice of the Mickey or Minnie depending upon which character you choose. Along with it, the character also speaks a message depending upon the time of the day, like good morning or good night. Moving on, you can use your watch as a viewfinder. You can use your Apple Watch as a viewfinder for your iPhone by opening the camera app both on the iPhone and the watch. You can use the watch to see the exact frame as you would from your phone screen. You can click a picture, start or pause a video. You can also mount your phone on a tripod and click a picture using your watch instead of setting a timer on the phone. You can also click your selfie from the phone back camera, and to check whether you are in the frame or if the shot is perfect, you can do that simply from your watch itself. You can also see your photos directly from the Photos application, and you can even set these photos as watch faces. Moving on, use AirPods with your Apple Watch. You can connect your AirPods directly to your Apple Watch and listen to music stored on the watch without using your iPhone. You can also see the battery percentage of your AirPods from the watch itself. And if you have AirPods Pro or AirPods Max with active noise cancellation, then you can toggle that directly from the watch itself by asking Siri to turn on or off active noise cancellation or the transparency mode. The last tip, and a very useful one, is to navigate using your Apple Watch. If you are going somewhere and you need directions, then open Maps on your iPhone. select location, start navigating, and now you can switch navigating to your watch. Instead of checking your phone again and again for directions, you can simply lock your phone and your watch will pick up from there and it will show you navigations directly on your wrist, which is super convenient while driving. That's it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like today's content, and do let me know in the comments down below if you learned some new tip or trick today. Please subscribe to my channel for more such tech related videos, and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates and notifications. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.